All right, day two. How did I start off already? 30 seconds up. All right, but it's cool. All right, so day two on this challenge that I was telling y'all about. So the play we're taking today is US 500. So you got to go to the pairs that allow you. You got to go to the pairs that allow you to hit certain trades, right? So I was telling y'all when y'all dealing with small accounts, you need to focus on pairs that will allow you to position yourself well but actually make money. So if you're using the platform that I gave y'all in that group, that's gold, that's US 500, and that's US 30. Those are the three that make moves that you can actually use to start building and scaling. But now, if I go to US 30, as you can tell, US 30 made the move already. Big move, blitzed it up, came straight into the sell zone. This would have been a target point if they didn't already make the move before the New York Open. So, um, no, we can do about it now. It already happened, so we just let it rock, right? They did it this move this morning at like 6:30 right here. They made the move this morning right here in 1 minute. They jumped it $200, $300. So that was a $300 push right there. So kind of missed that entry, but it's fine. Off to the next trade. So the next trade is right here, US 500. So in US 500, we got the cross. We in the green. This is the 1 minute, obviously. So right now in the 1 minute, everything looks good. So I'm not really complaining about the entry. Everything is fine. As long as this continues to hold, we're good. Right now, we're just waiting on the break of this up here. Once we get the break of the structure point here, we will then begin trending back to the upside. I mean, trending up to the upside even more. So come over here to the 15 minute. I do like that we did cross. That was the retest of this break of structure here. We did the retest, strong bullish move off of that retest. So now we should just be looking for the continuation. That continuation from there should come straight to the sell zone. So now in the sell zone, that is 30 points. So that's going to be well over 300 as long as we just let it rock. And this is how you're going to, like I said, this is how you're going to scale those accounts. So you want to put yourself in a position to catch these plays. Now you have two options here. Option number one is, all right, you go here, you collect your 300, or option number two is you just allow it to follow the system and you keep going and you target the next zone up here. But we're just targeting our guideline. So now on the software with the new update, we consolidated a lot of information. We blended what was coming from one tool into this one tool here. So it used to be two lines and it kind of told us what was going on, but I found a way to blend both of those and get the same information. So um, instead of telling us when we're looking for sales or buys and we got to look for the cross and all of that, we kind of put it all into one tool. We kind of figured out a way to work that math. Now, what I want to show you is when you have these breaks, I mean, literally we just hold. And I'm not worried about any sales unless we close below. If we close below, it's a week long, so it's threatening that a sale can come whenever it closes below. And then also, once it closed below, it must close below this midpoint and go into the sell zone. This would have been my exit point if I would have been in this trade from here yesterday. So now, same thing goes for today. Today, I'll be looking for that same exact trend up, same move. So as long as we stay above the guideline, I know I'm clean to hold. But then if I have more than one position, I can partial once we go below the guideline. And then if we ever cross into the red, then I close fully. Right? If we're below the guideline in the red, I close fully. And then I just wait to get back on trend, which would have been right now. So that's the current play that we're in right now. This is the current new trade, and we're looking for the same trend as we had here, right? We're looking for a push, continuation. If we go below the guideline, fine, we partial. If it comes here, then we close fully, right? But as of right now, it's green. We're solid. We're just going to keep holding. Target point here, just to see how we react here. Make sure we don't get no major rejection candle. And then next target point here at the top of the sell zone. So those are the areas that I will be paying attention to today. on this challenge and this trade that we're currently in. Um, so yeah, we're gonna let this one play out. Yesterday we did catch the US 30 play yesterday, so let me kind of show you that play. So US 30, we had the end of the day buy from back here. We came in back here, caught it here, 400 points, closed below the guideline right there. Got out because we were doing a flip, so that was 50% of the trade right there. But, it was good. I'm on live, so
I'm making 40 grand a day, man.
He said I'm making 40 grand a day.
What's up, man?
What's up with it?
Just tapping in with you, good.
Yeah, I'm over here just knocking out this live real fast, talking about this.
Okay.
Buy on this futures accounts that we're doing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, shit. I'm about to get me to some futures, bro. You getting all that money over here. I'm about to give that stop.
Yeah, the futures, yeah. It's booming right now. This I was just telling them on live that this US 500 trade was about to take off and it's launching right now. So that's a good play. We over here cooking on this one. Yeah, I just need this motherfucker to go ahead and shoot up another shit $45 more. That's gonna be a good banger trade right there.
I respect it.
Yeah. Now futures, like I told you, the futures just that right now money. Like if you come on the future side, it's that right now money. So it's like you get to get that instant pay, but it's like it's margin. So it ain't like how we do on the options where we buy the premium, we only put up 300, we gonna lose 300. Nah, you buy too many contracts over here, and that motherfucker go the wrong way. Yeah, they gonna clean you out.
I'ma stay away for now.
Yeah, they gonna clean.
Hey, what you got Micron going to? Still selling?
Let me see. MU.
My girl says I was just thinking about him.
She trying to get the trades. MU, let me see.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
I don't know. MU busting right now.
Busting out the pants, ain't it?
Yeah, that motherfucker jumped $50.
So what you think? Is it upside?
I need to close above. I need to close above the area it's at. If it closes back into the green, I think it's up.
On what you on, the hour?
Oh, I'm on the 4 hour.
On the 4 hour?
Yeah, because if you're looking at the structure, remember the structure, you gotta go 4 hour daily.
Okay.
You gotta make a bias off of there.
All right, so basically,
if we close back green on that 4 hour, I think we just continue up to the top of there, which is 987.
All right, cool.
That's where
987.
Yeah, that's where we broke structure at.
Okay.
We broke structure at 981.
So,
it's a new update on the software too. The new update on the software. I consolidated. You know how we got those lines? You gotta look for the cross and shit.
Yeah.
We found a way to merge that code into one line, and now, bro, it's crazy.
How I gotta do it?
I gotta send it to you. But I'm gonna send it. I gotta get you added and shit. And I'm gonna send it to you. And I'm gonna let you see. But
cool.
It's gonna be way simpler for y'all to like just see and read.
Bet it. Yeah. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah. I'm here. I'm about to take a risky trade 987.
He said take a risky one to 987. Yeah. See how that first hour do. Right now,
that first hour candle close.
Yeah, but based off the new system on the 1 hour is green. It's a buy for sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm buying that bitch. I gotta see what's going on, man.
Yeah. They fuck around, go back to 927. And Trump said some good shit yesterday, so that's why the market about to just keep making this move.
All right, cool. What else you got today going up while we here? Fuck.
Let me see.
Why the fuck Apple keep going down?
Apple getting fucked right now.
I see.
Nvidia, you see what it's doing?
Yeah, we supposed to been in that motherfucker.
Yeah, that motherfucker going to 214. I mean, I called the buy yesterday. I had it at 205 for Monday. I cooked on that one. I should have took it out the Wednesday. Nvidia is good. Tesla green. QQQ green. Yo, IWM green.
I'm scared of IWM. Fuck me last time. Say that's green though.
Mm-hmm.
To what? What's your stop? What's your price?
Let me see. IWM.
Yeah.
It's kind of lame because it's like at the price right now. It's $298.
Yeah, nah. I'm still waiting.
Yeah, you gotta let it pull it back.
Yeah.
I mean, it could keep going. The next one is at $300, but
I'm scared.
This IWM we talking about.
This IWM we talking about. She'll do anything.
Yeah. I like Tesla though.
Tesla.
I do like Tesla.
To the north?
Yeah, to 40, back towards 41.
341?
Yeah.
All right.
Back towards 41. That's a good one. Apple. Apple is cooked. Apple's still going down. Staying away from that.
Did you catch that PTLR?
Nah. Palantir. I wanted to sell it yesterday because I'm like, shit, everything keeps selling. I was gonna sell it, but I was like, man, you know what? They got their earnings. They might buy it. I was like, I'm gonna just stay away from it because it's just it was too much of a gamble.
That shit. Look. Oh wait, look. What is it?
Palantir call 140 for Friday.
Oh, she got Palantir.
She had it wrote down and ain't take. We was stuck in MU yesterday.
Oh damn. You had it for Friday for 140?
I had it
Friday for 140.
Damn, you probably paid cheap for them contracts too.
No, she ain't even get in it. She didn't buy it. She wrote the note.
Before the market closed, I wrote the notes herself to make sure I got in it.
Damn.
Yesterday, like it's on the
paper, yeah.
On the paper.
It said 144 too. Them contracts would have been cheap.
I looked at that shit, hurt my feelings.
Yeah, them contracts would have been cheap.
That fucking ADHD ass shit, man.
Yeah. Look, y'all making too much other content. My man over here.
Yeah. You fucked it with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to show these niggas something different, man.
I was like, I'm doing hella shit right now. I like it.
We trying to do so much shit, bro. Yeah. That shit be crazy.
Throw shit at the wall.
See what stick.
Yeah, you gotta see something. Something gonna stick. Shit, something gotta hit.
That shit.
You still gotta take that. What's it called too?
What?
TTW or whatever the fuck it was.
Oh yeah, I take that to next year, right? Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me.
Yeah.
I gotta put that play in for the TTWO is the company that owns GTA. And GTA gonna be the biggest shit when it drop in November. So I could just see that going crazy by probably January, February.
Yeah, you probably definitely still going to 256.
Mm-hmm.
So I would definitely say that 256 look green. But it just depends on how they react in this area. I'll wait though. I'll wait because if they do close back below 242, they got to do that retest at 230. So I guess you can wait on that one.
MU trying to don't be coming down here, bitch ass. Oh, you in the red? You got that to the down?
No, hell no.
Oh, why the fuck it need to go down? Bitch need to go up.
Not yet. It's at 268. The market ain't open yet. Market about to open.
That shit ate down so good.
Damn, Nvidia 211 pre-market.
No, I had it at 205 till Monday. If I'd have had it out further, oh yeah, I'd have been cleaning up on them right now.
Seriously.
Yeah. But it's all good. I'm still rocking with the other joints I got. I got some other joints just hold. Yeah, let me wrap up this live though. I'm gonna come at y'all when I'm done.
Okay.
All right, it's on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the play right here. Like I said, y'all see we had the big breakout. The market opens in around a minute 21 seconds. So once that market open, then we should get that continuation straight up to here. And like I said, I want to see it. I want to see it just keep following the guideline. As long as it keeps staying with that guideline, it's cool. We'll just keep holding it. I got to research how to bring my alerts back. For some reason, I can't put my alerts on my tool no more. Canvas is in here. Yeah, I messed it up, man. Somehow remove this feature and I need that back. That's an essential feature. Come on, push up. See that dot trying to appear right there? We didn't get it. That's fine. We need US 500. Like I said, to still pump $30. So as soon as we break the high of that previous 15-minute candle, it's green, going straight to the sell zone. I mean, even with that push right there, that lets me know we're going straight to the sell zone. So I'm going to keep buying it. There we go. Break. Now we just needed to take out my alert. And then we're going to keep this going up. Moving on up to the east side. All right, now let me figure this out real fast. That's cool. She had the sausage. There's some more over there. All right, let me figure something out real fast. I was waiting on that. Lord.
They ain't getting no cream cheese.
I ain't thinking about that. I thought he was putting the egg on the bagel or whatever he was doing. I don't be eating bagels. I don't know how y'all supposed to sauce up the bagel. You ain't say cream cheese.
I thought it was common sense. But I guess not for somebody who don't eat bagels.
It's not for somebody that don't eat bagels.
But to see raw bagel with no cream.
I don't even eat cream cheese. Who the fuck eat cream cheese?
I like strawberry.
All right. Everything green right now, looking real green. Now we just needed to move up to here to 187.
You know, that's what I say. Like you laying down.
All right, that's what I'm looking for. If the crosshair button isn't showing, right click the screen, go to settings, go to trading tab, and then go to canvas, trading tab or canvas somewhere, and make sure that the crosshair quick buttons are enabled. Crosshair quick buttons. Canvas crosshair quick buttons.
Come on.
Nope.
Let's go.
I do not see that. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to figure out
Come.
how to fix my alerts. Damn. All right. I'll figure it out later once I'm off here. So yeah, that's the trade right there. So like I said, you just need a system that's going to always keep you on the right side of the market. You need something that's going to guide you. So whenever you get on the charts, you got to make sure that you got a rule system that you follow. It got to be systematic, and it got to be something that you can be disciplined to, right? And then if you can be disciplined and you could take the same trade over and over and over and over and over again, then you can make the same type of result. So for instance, the trade that we just took today, the first thing I realized this morning was we had a breaker structure to the top side. That's this green dotted line right here. The moment I realized that we had the breaker structure, that tells me that price wants to continue moving higher. So now I just waited for the system to tell me that price was above my guideline. Once we crossed above the guideline, I was willing to take the trade. So I took the trade actually right here when it did the pullback before I hopped online. And then once it pulled back behind the guideline, like I told you, that's a warning to me. That warning to me just tells me that, okay, price can begin selling now, but we only exit if we cross this middle line here. So if it would have crossed back into the red, then possibly I would have closed my trade on the behalf of that. But since it did not, I continued to hold my trade, and then I started to target my sell zone, which is right here, which is the next area. But now that I'm in a trade and I'm allowing it to continue to go, I'm just following down here. It tells me everything is bullish. Buyers got control. My score is a 79. I need anything plus a 50. Anything plus 50 tells me I'm good. I got double A's telling me that everything is set up. Higher time frame, lower time frame, all match. Everything's solid. Everything's confirmed. So then I just hopped into my trade this morning, and now I'm just riding it up. Now, as I was just explaining earlier, now I could TP here because I understand this is a rejection point. That is one thing I can do. But me, I am a swing trader, so I like to allow my trades to move and actually make profit. Now, what a lot of new traders do is they cut their winners too soon and they take minimum profit, but then they take these gigantic losses because they hold the losers longer than they hold the winners. So me showing you how to avoid doing that is what I do with the system. So for instance, like I explained earlier, if we cross above here, I then hold. If we cross below the guideline, which is this here, if we cross below that guideline, I partial if I have a big enough trade to partial. And then if we cross into the red, I then exit my trade because that tells me this is where price can then begin selling, right? So only if that happens will I get out of my trade. Then if I want to get back on this trend, I just wait for the same exact setup. Cross back into the green, cross back above the guideline, and then I go into my next area, right? But it's very, very systematic. And now the only part that I left out is I look for structure breaks, which are the dotted lines. And then these right here, these other lines here, these are confirmed levels, right? So confirmed levels of interest that I need to look out for. So if I come back down here, say for instance, the market was selling. Right here, how I was selling, I would look for a buy, but I would only want to take this buy here if we close above this area. I will not take it down here, right? I can get risky and take it here, but I wouldn't take it there because it didn't close above here, and that was a confirmed level. So once it closed above there, which was here, and we had another breaker structure, this dotted line here, I would then have took that buy here, and then I could have rolled it up from there, right? So that's just all it is. And it's just the same process of doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. Now, when you have a system like this, this is what you can do. You can come in, follow your system, do the same thing over and over and over again. Very, very systematic. And it's just being disciplined. This is what keeps me disciplined, not taking risky trades, not taking random trades, not just hopping in anywhere on the charts. I have specific areas that I hop in. I have a set of rules for why I'm hopping in, and I have a set of rules for why I'm getting out. And then I just allow the market to do what the market does. Nobody knows how hard the market's going to buy or how hard the market's going to sell. So what you have to get used to is being able to just follow a system and follow the trend and let the market just trend. As long as the market is trending, I'm going to ride with the trend. But I do know these are hard pivot points. So sometimes I may get out at a hard pivot point or I may not. But the only way is if we hit a pivot point and then we break one of my other two rules. But outside of that, it's very, very systematic. And I can honestly code this for a bot to trade, but I actually just like trading, so I had to do it myself. But this is all you need. You have to have a very, very systematic way of trading. Follow those rules, and then just keep doing it over and over and over and over and over again. Now you can get anybody's system, but it has to have rules, and you have to have some type of systematic way to approaching the market to make sure that you're getting the result that you want to get, right? So the only way you're going to get that result is by, like I said, having a system. So as you can see, this is the second trade that we just hopped into, and right here, it was just a very, very easy trade. Now this is a 300-point trade. This is a big trade for somebody with a small account, and these are trades that you want to look for, right? Because you want to scale your account up, and you want to keep building and building and building until you get to the point that you have thousands of dollars in your account. And then once you have those thousands, then you can start making bigger trades. Now, trading is the only industry where you get richer faster, right? It's not like a job. Like a job, you're going to get the same paycheck. No, with trading, you can actually get more and more because you can increase the amount that you leverage as your account goes up. So as more capital come into your account, you just increase by a little bit. Don't try to kill the market. If you do that, that is how a lot of traders lose. This is why a lot of traders don't become profitable. This is why a lot of traders don't become full-time traders, is because they're just looking for that one trade. Like if you have $100 account, all right, you need to make $50. $50 is great. We on that flip challenge that we're doing, we made $50 yesterday. That was a great entry. That's a great flip. That's 50%. Now I don't need to make 100% or 1,000%. I don't need to do that every day. I just need to be able to do what the market allows me to do when I can get in. So right now we have a good trade. We have a great opportunity. We catching the big swing right now, and everybody that's in the group, I gave them that play too. So they literally should be up. Let me see. On that account, another $90. So they was up 50 yesterday. Now they're up 100 today. Now they're up 150. So now they're already up 150%. They're up 150% in just 2 days. All right, cool. That's great. Now you just stay consistent, stay disciplined, don't over leverage, don't do none of that, and you just keep compounding as you go. And then eventually you put yourself in a position to have the $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 account, which then turns into the $15,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 account, which eventually turns to the $100,000 account. But that comes from not over leveraging. It's risk to reward. If you learn how to manage your risk, you can get the reward. Like you just got to just take time. Like don't try to do it overnight. That's the main point that I'm making. Most traders try to do it overnight, right? They want to get it done in one session. They want to get it done in 1 second, 1 weekend, 1 day. Like me being an experienced trader for so long, I understand that, okay, this is my rejection point. It can then come right back down here to this area, right? So it can buy up another 19 points and then come right back down to here. Wow, this is the retest area. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market did this. Pushed up here, topped this line, came all the way back down here, and then closed above here, then came back down here, and then closed above here, came back to here, and then went up there to that line. Right, I can sit through this wave because I understand how the market moves. It's going to make waves. It's not just going to it's never just going to just do that. Man, you can get close to that sometimes. Like, I guess US 30 kind of did that today with that right there. NASDAQ that did the same thing. But it just depends on what pair you're trading, right? Sometimes you will get that. So let me go over to US 30. Like, sometimes you will get like this straight up move. And like this trend right here is kind of just straight up, right? It's just going straight up. But that just means it's going to come straight back down. Like, it's definitely going to come straight back down real hard. So, but I understand that. And we're probably going to come back down here, fill this gap down here. And then once we get down here, guess what? I guarantee you it just goes back up. Why? Because I just understand how the market works. Like, so over here on a weekly, the Dow Jones can literally just come back down here to hit this area. retest right there, and then buy back up. So if I come to my daily, it should come back down to here. Now it don't have to do it today. They can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow can come back down here, right? The next day can come back down here. But I know it should retest this area. Why? Because we're breaking the high. This is a certified high. We're breaking the high. So even if it comes all the way up here and then it wants to come back, that's fine. But that's a trade I'm willing to take. I'm willing to ride that wave. Like I know it's going to keep buying up, right? So same thing over here. I know it's going to keep buying up, right? I know it's going to keep buying up, but I do know it can retest this area. But I just want to see it, keep pushing on, push all the way up here. Instead of this being a $36 move, let me drop down so I can adjust it. Like I already know that TP is going to hit. They can turn it to a $75 move, right? That's my next rejection point. And then from here, we literally can do this. They can literally hit up here and then they could just come all the way back down here. And that's fine. But I'm not going to chase this sale. I will allow it to come back down here. And then once it come back down here, I would then just take this buy from down here, from that point, and then I'm going to go all the way up there. So I have a system that allows me to watch and follow the trades so I can know like, okay, boom, we broke out. We didn't come back to the retest level. Let us come back to this retest level. I'll get in down here and I'm going to come all the way up here with it because we already came to this area. But that's all you got to do. And then just remain disciplined. Like me being disciplined is me just watching this. All right, if this decides to keep going up, I'm just going to keep letting it ride up. I'm not going to cut my trade too early. I'm not going to just get out because I'm up $50 or $100. And that's what a lot of y'all do. Like a lot of new traders, they like, oh man, I'm up $50 in 5 minutes. I'm up $500 in 15 minutes. Let me get out. Like, yeah, you was up $500 15 minutes, but if you would have held for 2 more hours, you'd have been up $3,000. But they missed those plays. So that's what I'm trying to show y'all how y'all can do that and y'all can keep scaling and keep growing and keep expanding y'all accounts. So this is the play we're in right now. For the live on the YouTube, like I said, y'all can get out right here at $30. It's going right there. Definitely going to hit that TP. And then we'll just keep holding. I'll keep following the guideline. Come somewhere up here in the middle. We get up somewhere right here or close to here today, I'll more than likely exit today, just so I can confirm the equity on that flip. But on the other account, it's green. We're just hoping. And you just keep following structure. Just keep following, like whatever the market wanted to do, that's what you want to do. If you want to buy, you buy. If you want to sell, sell, but make sure that it's actually telling you it wants to sell. But we definitely need to come back and retest that area. How do I fix my alerts? I have to figure this out. Trading, is it in alerts? Automatic high toast. I don't know what that is. Only active alerts. Alert line. What is that? What does that do? All right, that's not it. Fix that. Canvas. I don't even know how I messed this up yesterday. Press button. Plus button. Plus button. Is that it? That is it. There we go. Thank God. I couldn't figure that out for nothing. I need that plus button. That allows me to just drop a line right there. So I know we can come back here. It also allowed me to drop alerts. So if I don't got time to watch it, I can just put an alert there. Lets me know that we at the TP. That'll let me know when TP was reached for the live. like I said, I'm gonna keep holding. Pretty sure we're gonna come up here somewhere today, or at least up to like 76, 80. We should get at least up to there, halfway inside of that zone. Pretty sure we should get up there. It's only 9:50 and we're almost there, so I'm not really expecting no major rejection or anything like that. Trump was talking real good yesterday, so with him talking good, that's just another positive for us to just keep holding. I just really want like a strong breakout candle that just comes like all the way up here. If we close above here today, 77.17, then guess what? I'll continue to hold. If we close above here and then go to there, it's another $44 right there. Like, they want y'all to sell the market. They want everybody taking sales, anticipating the market selling. But if you have a system that you can just follow and you can understand, like, it's not going to sell. It's just going to keep buying. Like, the market is intended to go up. Like, come over here. Like, the NASDAQ is busting. Like, this is a play that anybody could have got in. Right? I gave y'all this play yesterday, honestly. Back here, I told y'all to get into the buy back here. You could have rolled it up here, and then right here would have been your exit on the system. This would have been your re-entry, and then you'd have kind of keep holding right there, and that's it. And then you'll be up again. So based off of this, off the re-entry, if you got back in, you could have been up 600 points right there. The initial entry was back here yesterday. If you held from yesterday, you would have been up 800 points. So this right here was a banger trade for anybody that was looking for a banger trade. Now, I'm pretty sure, like I said, today we're going to come up here. Pretty sure we're going to get up there today. There's just so much volume in the market right now. He talking about the war not being bad, shutting everything down. I have a GU trade too. GU, let me see what that's looking like. I don't remember where I got in at on GU. That's all right. Doing all right. I got in somewhere down here on GU. Trying to do an insane flip on that one. Trying to do one of those crazy flips. But I need GU to pay out. I need GU to come all the way back up here. And that's what's really going to help me do the other account. Gold, I'm anticipating gold turning around. I'm not even going to hold you. We almost at the TP. Once we hit this TP for the live, I'm going to be done. And then I'm going to be back tomorrow to show y'all the next play. So, yeah, just stay firm. Hold your trades. Learn to swing them. Don't cut your winners too fast, because that's what a lot of people do. Learn to trade the 15-minute. If you're going to be doing any type of intraday style trading, I would recommend you trade the 15-minute over any other thing. Whenever you're looking for structure and direction, use the daily and the 4-hour. If you trade options, it's kind of different rules, but yeah, that's the main thing right there. And then if you guys want to get the system, hit me up. Let me know. I'll show y'all how y'all can get your hands on this. Definitely helping people. Look like we're going to hit TP before the day ends. That's what I like to see right there. And TP is hit. There we go. TP hit on YouTube Live. So that was y'all play for the day. Like I said, that was a $30 move. Now, if you got a system where you can just monitor your trade as it keeps going, I would definitely tell you to keep letting it ride. I'm pretty sure it's not going to stop right here. I think it comes up to at least 683-ish today. If not up here, like I said, if not 7,000, it could definitely get up to 7,000. Like I wouldn't be surprised if it got up to 7,000, but I would say 683 at minimum today. So I'll just keep letting it ride. But yeah, that's my time. That's my video. I got 5 more minutes, I guess. It's not my time. But if y'all got any questions, ask me. But that's definitely the play right there. It's just having systematic trading. Yeah, they might pull back and retest this area and then push up higher. Let me see. Let me see what we got going on. What I got on the option side. And put this right here so I can know when that makes a higher high. Hop over here to the options real fast. The video doing a little pullback. Nice, whatever. Intel. Oh yeah, another positive too on that plus 500. On the plus 500, you can actually trade the single day stocks over there. So I do like that. So that nighttime 24 hours is on there. I'm gonna definitely start cooking up on there real soon. Real soon over there on that. IWM. Yeah, they got it. I told y'all that was about to start busting. I think Robinhood turns around. I do see it slamming down right now. United Health is getting cooked. Is that on there? Let me see. I don't think I've seen United Health on there. Single stocks. They got Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Broadcom, Micron, Meta, SpaceX, Tesla, Walmart, no, Palantir, Netflix. Oh, they ain't got no United Health. Amazon. Ironically, Amazon is a buy. Amazon be doing whatever it wants to do, honestly. Not a fan of Amazon. Send this over to them. Scam likely. Don't call me. And go back over here real fast just so y'all can see. Close this out. So that right there was the play for the day. Be back on here tomorrow, 9 o'clock, same time. Looking for the third play of the week for the challenge. and we're just gonna keep pressing on until we get over 5K. So from 100 to 300 to 5,000 to 20,000 to 100,000 to a million and beyond. All right. So I'm gonna see y'all on the next call. That right there was a great close right there. We just closed above the sell pivot. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna keep pressing on, and that's gonna keep going up. What is this? US 30 did a pullback. Bitcoin did a major pullback. That means US 500 pullback. It's coming soon. Yep, that's my time. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. But that was the easy play today. Keep holding. Like I said, we shoot up to 83, and then if not, like I said, y'all can get out. But definitely learn to swing.